Hi and welcome, guys. I normally take a whole day just to bath, brush my teeth, comb my hair, clean my nails, and eat. And that's just to take care of myself. It takes a whole day. So I'm trying to do it very faster today. I already showered now, but I'm still very sick. My lungs are still paining, but that's it. And then I've got a bit of a fever and migraine, but it will surely go away because I did take a migraine. I'm just cleaning my face now. And I want it to be perfectly clean before I put any cream on my perfectly clean face. But yes, don't look at my imperfections. Everybody has them. It's the way that the Lord shows that you cannot copy His art. You cannot copy His crafts. Or arts and crafts. HR placenta for my curly hair. And then coconut oil. The original one. It's melted. I did put it in water. And then for my face, it's anti-wrinkle because I'm getting old now. And you only use that now when you get to 30 and you really have fine wrinkles. If you use it and you don't need it, you're going to look like an 80-year-old when you're 30, my age. And also, I was taught that you wear makeup as an adult woman when you're in the age of 40 going to your 50s. And I know my granny looked good, eh? She looked much younger than she really was. Okay, I'm just gonna put clean now. I want to hurry because I want to go and buy food. I want to eat. I want to go and sleep. Okay, that's my face. And then I can quickly rub those things in this Boscasa because it's stunning like bushy, very bushy. And no, I don't have colors in my family. I am pure white. You can go into the back of my sister's children has kids that are, yeah, mixed race. Not me.